The overall goal of this procedure is to test the sealing of microannular gas flow in a model of a leaky wellbore by expanding its inner pipe. This is accomplished by first creating a composite cement model system. The second step is to perform flow-through experiments to demonstrate the existence of microannular gas flow. Next, place the system in an expansion setup to expand the inner pipe. The final step is to perform additional flow experiments to test the effect of the inner pipe expansion. Ultimately, gas flow-through experiments demonstrate the effectiveness of pipe expansion in sealing of the microannular gas flow.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like squeeze cementing is that it requires less time, it has a higher success rate, and it has already been proven for drilling applications in the field.
The implications of this technology are potentially huge, as it can prevent contamination of subsurface freshwater aquifers from the hydrocarbons released, as well as release of hydrocarbons into the atmosphere.
Construct the sample from two Grade B electric resistance welded steel pipes. Focus on the larger outer pipe. Drill holes in it to provide pressure release and mimic rock porosity. In addition, evenly space 4 holes with 3.2 mm MPT threading tips around the top and bottom of the pipe to allow connecting pipe fittings. Next, fabricate a custom-made steel coupling for the two pipes. The coupling has a ring for attaching the outer pipe and threads for securing the inner pipe. After threading the inner pipe to connect with the coupling, make sure to check the fit. Remove the pipe before proceeding.